Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Russia's Kh-69 stealth cruise missile to equipped Sukhoi 30 Mk1 fleet. Russia's Tactical Missiles Corporation and Design Bureau MKB Raduga are keen to introduce the Kh-69 stealth cruise missiles to Indian Air Force officials as an advanced strike options for the IAF Sukhoi 30 MKI fleet. The scaled model of this missile, initially showcased at Moscow Army 2022 military exhibition, highlights its stealth characteristics, precision targeting, and long-range capabilities, position it as a formidable tool for modern warfare. Next, S5 class SSBN to be equipped with NGSLBMs under development. The Indian Navy's ambitious S5 class of ballistic missile submarine, each set to have a submerged displacement of around 13,000 tons, will be fitted with advanced submarine-launched ballistic missiles currently under development. While the Arihant and Arighat SSBNs are already operational with the B05/K15 and K4 SLBMs, the future S4 Star and S5 submarines will bring enhanced deterrent capabilities, including a new generation of SLBMs. To match the increased size and strike role of the S5 class, DRDO is progressing on an array of SLBMs, significantly extended ranges and payload capabilities. Next, technical specifications of the ESA-AAAU radar revealed. For the first time, tender documents have provided a detailed look at the technical specifications of the active electronically scanned array, that is ESA radar antenna, especially the ESA-AAAU designed for the IAF's LCA AF-MK2. This advanced radar represents a significant technological upgrade aimed at enhancing the capabilities of the LCA MK2 with its architecture closely following the Uttam ESA radar used in Tejas Mk1A, but featuring several design modifications to suit the Mk2's requirement. Next, FICV undergoing upgradation for Indian Army. FICV, that is Futuristic Infantry Combat Vehicle. Larsen & Toubro, one of India's leading defense manufacturers, has been working diligently on the development of its Futuristic Infantry Combat Vehicle, which is currently undergoing an upgradation process to meet the requirements outlined in the request for proposal issued by the Indian Army. The FICV program is part of India's ongoing efforts to modernize its armored vehicle fleet and enhance the capabilities of its mechanized infantry. The FICV is envisioned as a key platform for the Indian Army's infantry forces, providing superior mobility, firepower, and protection in modern combat scenarios. The vehicle is designed to be a highly versatile combat platform capable of performing a wide range of roles, including offensive operations, defensive maneuvers, combat support, and surveillance mission. Next, Falco Explorer UAV on offer. As the global strategic landscape continues to evolve, Italy has emerged as a key partner for India in the field of defense equipment and technology cooperation, with both nations sharing a growing and robust global strategic partnership. Italy views its defense ties with India as an essential area for future collaboration. This burgeoning relationship is exemplified by Italy's offer of the Falcon Explorer medium altitude, long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle, a cutting edge platform developed by Leonardo SPA, one of Italy's premier defense and aerospace companies. The Falco Explorer stands at the forefront of Italy's defense technology offering to India. Next, development of high-power hybrid and advanced vehicle engines for UAVs and cruise missiles. The National Aerospace Laboratories, yani NAL, a constituent of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, has achieved a significant milestone in propulsion technology by developing advanced vehicle engines in two power categories, a 10 to 15 kilowatt hybrid vehicle engine and an 80 to 100 kilowatt vehicle engine. These engines are poised to play a pivotal role in powering unmanned aerial vehicles and cruise missiles, boosting India's self-reliance edge in cutting-edge propulsion systems for strategic and tactical applications. Next, Unicorn antenna co-development. On November 15th, India and Japan took a significant stride in their defense partnership by signing a memorandum of implementation for the co-development of the Unicorn antenna complex for Indian warship. This marks a historic milestone signifying the first ever co-development, co-production of defense equipment between the two nations. The Unicorn antenna complex, a technological marvel conceptualized by the Japanese Navy and manufactured by NEC Corporation Japan, is a state-of-the-art composite communication antenna designed to enhance the stealth capabilities of warships. It has been specifically developed for the future frigate multi-role class of warships, also known as the upgraded Mogami. Next, refits for Maldives and Mauritius Coast Guard vessels. In a demonstration of its commitment to regional security cooperation, the Indian Navy is currently undergoing the maintenance and repair of two important vessels for its neighboring countries, the Maldivian Coast Guard ship Hurawi and the Mauritius Coast Guard ship Valiant. These refits are being carried out at no cost to the respective governments, highlighting India's proactive approach to strengthening maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. Thank you.